Hi everyone! In this tutorial, we'll show you how to add a custom order count column to your WooCommerce admin orders list. This is fully compatible with WooCommerce HPOS, High Performance Order Storage. First, copy the code snippet provided and add it to your child theme's functions.php file. If you prefer, you can also use a code snippets plugin to keep things organized and avoid touching your theme files directly. Once the snippet is active, head over to the WooCommerce Orders page in your admin dashboard. You'll notice a new column labeled Order Count right after the Order Status column. This helps keep your dashboard clean and organized. Each row now shows the total number of orders placed by that customer. For registered users, you'll see their full order count. You may notice that some entries show 0. This happens for guest orders, since WooCommerce cannot associate them with a user ID. With this simple setup, you can quickly identify repeat buyers and get a clear overview of your customer's purchase history.